markets with my little cousins. Say hi. Say hi with your bag. Ooh, those are nice. Okay. Hello. Oh, Thai love. It was a different color. Whoa. Whoa. Look at Tina. Look at Tina. Whoa.
I like this one. So good.
Savalaga's still closed. Oh yeah. Alofas, they're at the back when it's raining. This is the bus stops.
Uy, what is bicycle?
Mga yun eh. Kikuan falay. It's here. Like.
Go back to get the kikipua.
Okay.
What are the actual one?
Kekemoa. The falay one.
What do you mean the actual one?
The mossy one.
Every kikipua is the actual one, but it's different. The Farai one.
This is the faray.
Hey.
Anyway, we'll do maths.
Yes.
So you ask her and then she asks you.
Okay.
Okay, CV về ya ơi, CV về ya sao?
5 plus.
5 plus.
5 plus.
Wait, 5. Ah,
5.
5.
5.
Okay, any plus for pupu.
5 pupu.
5
pupu. Wait, 5 pupu.
Foul pupu. Wow. Even her someone's getting.
For popo. Yeah. For popo. Make it hard sound.
Popo.
Yeah.
Popo no, le Polo. Popo.
Popo ile ah.
5.
Olha, olha, cara. Ah.
Yeah,
Late as a Tina.
Sukas.
Oh, sfufa pupu sukas.
10 plus 11.
11 is the on the 10 is so small, smallest number,
But what's
and 11 is the oldest, the bigger number.
Yeah, I only
Yeah,
had Kali.
You can still plus them.
Of course. Yeah, mom. Oh, man.
21.
Yeah.
Great. Where's the volume? Go. Amen. I love it. Show everyone what do we have? What do we have?
Have no. Kekipaa.
No more
Kikipua.
kipua. Ole falay.
I got fried. Wait, yeah. Kikipua with sauce.
Yeah.
Emma,
Emma, na it's lepo life lolo.
Lolo.
We are. Lolo.
It's not like that.
That's the best with the sauce.
What's the one I?
Yeah. You pass me the one with the sauce.
So yum.
It's so yum. The sauce one, eh? So
The first one.
this is the one that me and my other cousins, the older ones, like.
Ăn màu đi ạ. Rồi in ăn màu. That's what beautiful.
It's really rainy today.
Yeah, that's what your ice cream.
It's been a while since we had rain. We're here at Pungalei Markets. No, not the old ones. Go.
Yeah, you can go inside, have a look.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, Uma. After we be careful. We're just gonna go straight. There's people coming. Oi, dang girl. Slow down, man. More dresses. Wow. Wow. $5. What, you want one? They're small. Your ears are small.
I want this one.
Up to you. Wait. Let me see your necklace. Here, show. This is what Sal got. It's a green one. I haven't had a green one. Let's go. Hey, look at him. So Larry being the funny guy. Can't get rid of that cousin of ours. Ay, ma, ngayon na fay ula, ma'am. Okay, Oko. Sekia. Leay, ele Sekia Oko. Yeah, so we are just. Oi, it's out. Yeah. Yep, so we are continuing our shop. Oh, it's CCK. That's the shop that I forgot about. They've upgraded. There's so many shops here. I think it's a Kmart kungule faliluanga. It's the Kmart bottles. Ooh, Emma's Easy. Beepa, beepa, beep. Samaoni. Not those ones. There's Macca's. We haven't had Macca's here, so it's good. We're very good for not eating Macca's here.
I like a hamburger.
Like a hamburger? You like a hamburger? No, we're in Samoa. We don't eat that stuff.
Yeah, it's too expensive.
It's too expensive. She's right. She's not wrong about that. Yeah. Silly, I left get quiet. What is he up to? sign there. Oh no, because I let you go left. The government building we were at. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, then. Welcome.
Do all your shopping that you need for yourself, for your family. Lots of kids wear. Started from here with a Christmas tree.
Okay.
And then we continue to the other section of your store. Family and friends from overseas.
Siva Ulua, that's your favorite move, eh? Your favorite move that you learnt here? Wow. How do you foresee your V? As a dance move. Do it as a dance move. How's that? PAA $430, $387 now special. Still not special. At least I still got that. Hey, drinks! Do you want these drinks? Just the juice. So, man, Tina. Forget another one. 17%. This is the internet cafe that I will come as a missionary every P-Day. Let me show. Whoa. Yes.
Jadi nggak boleh
She's holding.
Yeah, cut this way. Break it.
Break it. Lona lua, salamo, lona solo.
Papa siswa.
She's reciting the Articles of Faith in Samoan. And we all forgot it. Except Tina. Malo Tina, pati bye everyone. As you've noticed in the past few vlogs, we've been staying at my auntie's house, her newly built house from this year. They only just built it like a few months ago. Just in time for the wedding and for all of us to come in and stay. And the next time we're here in Samoa, we'll have Mum and Dad's house ready. A small one, a smaller one. Come to my auntie and uncle's house here. Denzel's house. Denzel. This is Denzel's family's house. They've been staying at the whole time. So beautiful. It's brand new. It's like a falipalangi. And then we have a filet at the back here. Just an open house where the rest of the other families could just chill. Wow, finished! Go fat, kisinoa, yeah. Yeah, at least I got my upo for our family session that we're doing tomorrow to end the year off as per tradition. As per tradition for the new year, the end of the year. We start strong, we end strong. Yeah, so love them up. My auntie's crazy. Like, that's actually hot. Like really hot. So that's the Noah, and that's the ma. So that's what they use to smash it. That's what they use to smash the koko. Just warming up. Hello, auntie. That's all my auntie. I just helped a little bit. Let's go, Sydney boy. Wow, king lima. Wow, king lima. Yeah. Ano kung tao. Koko. It's hard to do the koko, but it's easy to drink the koko. This is already 10 minutes of me just.
I wonder why the Koko Samoa was so expensive.
I know. Why? They find what fit. They find what fit. They find a koko. Well, add the flavor, Melvin. You have an extra ingredient. There's a special ingredient in this koko. I was getting that oya looking at. Well, yeah, like cafe spare to make. And I'm just soloing it off. This is the exercise that they do in Samoa. They've worked very long. Okay, guys, this is what it looks like now. Almost there. Use a spoon to scoop it in. That. Don't say that. Don't put no akan. There's no wood in there. This is the cocoa that I just got by myself. No help from anyone else. The Koko Samoa. It hardens up. You can have it like this in the water while you wait for it to harden. Kids in Samoa. Nekakayamai. Hi, Phil. Hi, Tina. Hi, let's stop. Ingat ko, ingat. Ai mà anh nhớ cái đấy đó đi. Thế mà. Ai cô ya thì nó mới lại chết. Look at Samoan. He's just sitting there. This is so young. This is galo. Galo straight from the land with the lebe. 10 out of 10.
Lấy coco.
Lebe ay,
Lấy ai? Ai kari? Ai makari? Kalau woko ai kalau ini ya, so ya cuma mau coco nak.
Thôi chứ chị các hộ cá lúa mà các cô mày mong ở vậy đi đều cái đấy các hộ ai các hộ có xì liệp người luôn cái đấy.
Oh, this is the cocoa. This is the cocoa that we made. This is the cocoa that we made earlier. Suka. Oh, it's nice.
Tengok ni mesa aku dia suka.
Pero, what ile?
Ini sampai dalam apa?
Ngayon coco dia neng kui dia. Dia
Ini
coco.
sampai dalam apa?
Aku kangwa weh.
Ini sampai.
My auntie's mocking me.
Nè phải mấy để có phụ để kêu anh ta ngó các cái đây của cô lên cùi rồi.
Don't tell everyone. Look at this. No, but what is the flavor? Yeah, I don't know.
Cô đi chơi chơi luôn. Nó đã phải.
Sexy.